Hi guys, it's playtime. Today we have lots and lots of surprises from Peppa Pig Surprise Egg, Nom Noms, Hello Kitty, Paw Patrol and Angry Birds with the My Little Pony cash register. Let's turn this on. Open the drawer. Here we have the paper money or paper bills. €5, €10, €20, €50, €100, €200, and €500. Coins. And we got My Little Pony bank card. Let's start ringing up the items, starting with Hello Kitty fashions. Angry Birds. Paw Patrol. Angry Birds. Paw Patrol. Nom Nom Surprise Cup. Another Nom Nom Surprise Cup. And a Peppa Pig Surprise Egg. Total is €98. Let's just pretend it's euro because our money is euro. Swipe the card. Flyer. Oh, it's the same Hello Kitty that I had previously. I got it here. Hello Kitty in a bunny outfit or in a bunny hoodie. Comes in a red capsule. Flyer. And we got the super squishy Suma. We got Sky. Flyer. We got squishy, super squishy. The Angry Birds mushrooms is sticky. We got the Blackbird. Boom! I always look at the collector's guide because I'm not familiar with their names. And here it is. Looks like the orange swirl. Yes, it is. And the lip gloss, or orange glows up. Orange glows up and orange swirl. Collector's guide. It's my first time having this. Also looks like a swirl. It's minty swirl. The lip gloss is Berry Glows Up. Berry Glows Up and Minty Swirl. Hard candies. Flyer. And a shoe charm. We have Rebecca Rabbit. Rebecca Rabbit is holding a carrot. Let's have a short recap of our surprises with the My Little Pony cash register. We have Sky from Paw Patrol, Zuma from Paw Patrol, Hello Kitty, Howl, Bomb from Angry Birds, Minty Swirl with Berry Glows Up, Rebecca Rabbit, and Orange Swirl with Orange Glows Up. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more videos, more surprises, and don't forget to subscribe. Have a good one.